What's up guys, this is going to be a video on how to make a bespoke cover for for anything really, but garden furniture. So I've got my table and chairs. The cover that came with it originally, plastic, cheap rubbish, got destroyed originally, so we're going to make it out of some thicker canvas material, and we're going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so I've taken my measurement outside, the diameter, and just going to use this plumb bob. I'm going to put a weight on that. Maybe the tape measure will do. I need to hold it lightly, and then we're going to just extend that out all the way to the edge, because I know this is the correct diameter, and I'm going to hold a bit of chalk around there. Just hold on to that. Okay, that looks pretty good. So we've got our circle to the top, and then we're just going to make a rectangular skirt to go around the side, stitch it together. Pretty simple really. I've oversized this by 8 inches, 200mm, so that I can fold down the edges by 4 inches on both sides. A nice overlap. Is this worth doing? Well, this is going to be a good quality one, and for a good quality one, I'm sure you're looking at a good £100–200, but then also it's unlikely to fit your specific table, so you'd have to get a seamstress to make it, and that's going to cost you even more. So once you know how to do it, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, I'm just going to measure the height now and allow a little bit to roll up so we can stitch a loop around the bottom so we can pull the thing together with a string. Okay, so now we have to work out what size the skirt's going to be around this. I measured 132, so 2 pi r gives me my circumference, and then I add a little bit on, say 100mm. So I'm looking at 414 plus 100mm, 414 centimetres, so that's going to be 424 centimetres. 424 by 116. So I'm going to cut that now, and then we can start doing that. Right, first thing we're going to do is square it up so we don't waste material. And then we're going to use these weird looking offcuts. Can't say I've ever worked with chalk before like this. It's not the easiest medium to work with. So the distance is 116. just continue that along until we get the full length, cut it into shape, and then we can start assembling. Okay, so I've chalked my line for the little channel at the bottom where we're going to run the string, and I'm going to use the iron, which just makes your life a lot easier when you come to stitch it. So alright, so what I've done here is I've got a skewer, straightened it out, got some electrical insulating tape, and then just taped it around my string, and that way I can feed this through, and we just pull that along so that we can pull the string through the bottom. I didn't want to put it in before because I was worried I might catch a stitch on the rope and then it would, it would never move. So we just have to feed that through until we get to the other side, and that's done. A bit chilly now. So I've got my jogging bottoms on. Okay. So I threaded that through, and this is going to be the bottom, and it's got the two cords at either end. And then I've again ironed the other side, so you've got a nice edge to work with. And that's going to be stitched around on this white mark here. Okay. And we're ready. Just to double stitch everything, because this will probably come apart very quickly otherwise. basically done. Just cut that off there so this can tie together. So there she blows. Pretty happy with that. See all the seams in the daylight now. Pretty neat. I mean, I'm no seamstress, but as long as you measure and cut things pretty square, it should all work out. As long as you know how to use the sewing machine. This one's pretty straightforward, this project. It's double stitched and it's waterproof, that material, so should last for quite a while. Drawstring at the bottom. Yeah, pretty pleased with that. Probably took me about 4 hours in total, and the material was about 20 quid. So if you can use the sewing machine, you've got the time, it's probably worth it. I mean, a new one like that is going to have to be bespoke and of that quality, that thicker canvas stuff, rather than the cheap plasticky stuff you usually get. It's going to be 200 quid plus if it was custom made. So I hope that was useful for you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.